Okay, so I'm going to search for Marsh's Garden on YouTube, go to my channel, and then I'm going to click on the playlist link. From there, I'm going to click on Fast Facts Germinating Seeds. So I've made a playlist and I've sorted it in alphabetical order on all of the plants that I've started by seed in my flower farm. And this is just a really quick reference that I can go to on a TV, on a computer, or on my phone to pick up what kind of seed I am starting at the time and see the directions on how to start it. So if I click on Ageratum here, here's a little clip that shows you, it just gives you all the information you need to start that seed. And I thought it'd be helpful because instead of having to type it in and look it up, I wanted to go to one spot that showed me this is how you start Ageratum from seed, and I can do that now every year. And I've also put all of the directions in the description of the video so you can actually access it very quickly from there as well. And to take it one step further, this is my Google Calendar. So I keep track of everything that I do in my Google Calendar. So I have listed all of the times that I start seeds, start bulbs, and then in my Google Calendar, I'm able to show that it repeats yearly, or it repeats every 10 days, or whatever I need it to do, because then next year when I go to start seeds again, I will have the same information at my fingertips that I did this year. And if I realize that, oh, maybe I had to pot these up and I started them too soon, I can go and move that date down 2, 3, 4 days. And now next year, my phone is, or my calendar, or they're just going to automatically come up with a notification when to plant that seed. And I'm going to be able to click on that and then easily click on my YouTube video and see how I started it last year. So if it was successful, I can move forward with it. This summer, if I notice anything is not successful, then I'll revise it, revamp it, update the link, and then next year I'll be ready to go without having to search for where did I write this down, what did I do. It's just a very fast way for me to keep track of everything I'm doing and keep notes on everything that I'm doing. So I've pulled up my Google Calendar here, and as you can see, I have different, like, start different things on different days. And then if I want to search for a certain plant, like Ageratum, for example, it'll highlight it for me, and now I can see it, it's highlighted, and I can go click on my YouTube link, and it'll take me right into how I start Ageratum from seed. So if that's the day I'm working on or what I need to know, it'll give me all the information at my fingertips. And as you can see here, I have this task. I have the day that I should start Ageratum. It repeats yearly. And then I have my YouTube link. So it's kind of all the information I need. And on my phone, I can access this information as well. So if we look at today, you'll remember I was starting seeds in my basement earlier. So I can just pull this up and I can say, okay, what do I need to do? Do I need to bury the seed? Does it need light to germinate? What do I need to do to start these different seeds? And I can do that. Okay, so I wanted to just show you on my phone how easy this is. So I check my calendar every day to see what tasks I have. So I'm just going to go into my Google Calendar. And so now it has all of my tasks that I have to do. And so if I look at today, by clicking on it, you can see here that I have Start Blue Sea Holly, right? Which we saw earlier on my calendar. So now I click on it. So now when I'm on it, I can just click on this YouTube video, and now it's going to bring it up. And if I click on the description, I can see all of the information. So I'm hoping these videos will help you as much as they're helping me. They are really fast. I just have the links on my Google Calendar, and now I can see exactly what I need to do to start all of my seeds. Anyway, I think that's it for the video today. I wanted to give you an update on why I was doing all these 1-minute videos. I just thought it would be really helpful to have a link on YouTube where you could watch it on your TV, on your phone, or on your computer screen.
and just see how to start seeds. And if you see a flower out in my field this year and you're like, that's beautiful, I wonder what she did to get that, you can go in and watch my seed starting video to see how exactly I started it, and I will continue to update how these flowers are doing all the way until I cut them and put them in bouquets. I hope you all have a fantastic day.